Somewhere in a market you've probably walked past, something is waiting to change how you see the natural world.
3 vegetables. Same family, same soil, completely different stories.
Most people walk past it without knowing what they're looking at. The ones who stop can't explain why they stopped.
What is this thing?
Never seen it before.
Under magnification, the pattern doesn't simplify. It multiplies. Every layer reveals another layer beneath it.
Broccoli has been on human tables for over 2,000 years. The Romans cultivated it along these same coastlines. We act like we invented it. Cauliflower became a cultural phenomenon. Cauliflower rice, cauliflower crust, cauliflower everything, an entire vegetable reinvented to be something else. But it almost wasn't the one we chose. Here's the part that changes everything. They are not different vegetables. They are the same species, Brassica oleracea, shaped differently by 2,000 years of human choices.
Ci vuole più tempo. È più difficile.
The farmers who grow it say the same thing every time. It takes longer. It's harder.
E ancora la gente non sa cosa fare.
Fibonacci sequence, the mathematical pattern found in galaxies and seashells and hurricanes, is written into every single floret of this vegetable. Broccoli doesn't do this. Cauliflower doesn't do this. Only Romanesco. Even people who cook for a living, people who've broken down thousands of ingredients, pause before cutting into this one. Something about its geometry makes destruction feel wrong. Raw, it tastes nuttier than broccoli, firmer than cauliflower, less bitter than both. The flavor doesn't match the face. Nothing about this vegetable does what you expect. Every few years, the internet stumbles onto Romanesco for the first time and reacts like it just discovered fire, then forgets, then discovers it again. Between the field and the shelf, something gets lost. The size, the color, the smell. And maybe something harder to name, the sense that this thing was grown, not manufactured. Children don't ask what it is, they don't Google it. They just count. Maybe that's the more honest response. Maybe that's actually the right one. The question we never ask is this: why did nature bother? Why build this level of mathematical precision into something that lives for one season and gets eaten? We don't have a satisfying answer. And that should probably bother us more than it does. Broccoli is familiar. It's Tuesday night dinner. Cauliflower is adaptable. It becomes what you need it to be. Romanesco does neither. It refuses to be simplified. It exists entirely on its own terms. It always has.
Every level looks like the one above it. The closer you get, the more there is. It doesn't simplify. It doesn't end. Not really.
It was here before the trends, before the food blogs, before the internet called it alien. It will be here after all of that too. Some things don't need to be understood to be extraordinary.